Hey guys, so some of you are having problems with submitting my work and not understanding what I'm expecting of you. So I'm just making this video to kind of show you this is what I'm expecting and this is how you're going to submit things and all of that, okay? So your page will not say home page, it will say biotechnology. Okay, this is just kind of like my sandbox where I post everything before I post it into your class, okay? So I'm in student view, so I'm seeing what you guys see. So I'm going to look at today, Monday's assignment. So Monday's assignment says, tell me what you know about our agriculture program. You will need 5 to 7 sentences to explain the questions. You are going to click submit assignment. Okay, then you have these options. Do text box entry. And you are going to write. Okay, I'm just typing to show you that this is what it looks like. Okay, so say I'm done. So then I'm going to click submit assignment. Okay, that assignment is done. Okay, so then I'm going back to my modules. Okay, I'm going to scroll back down. Okay, so then today's assignment, which would be Tuesday, I can't view this because I'm not considered a student, but you will see a article. Okay, the article will be up here, and then you should be able to scroll down throughout the article, and then you will see questions. You're going to highlight those questions. The correct answers is what you're going to highlight. Then you'll have a little blue button that says submit, and you'll click submit. Okay, so that's how that one's going to work. I can't view it because I'm not technically considered a student. I just get student view. Alright, with this, you are going to go through this, okay, and then once you get all the way through, you're going to click submit, and then you will have another submit button. I just want you to write done in the text box and then click submit. So that's how that one will work. And then the 27th, you are going to again read another article and answer the questions at the end of the article. Again, I can't show you how that works, but you should be able to highlight and submit that assignment. If you cannot, email me. And then Friday's assignment, you are going to fill out all this. After you've done that, you're going to click submit. You're going to write done in the text box. Here, maybe I can show you what it looks like. So Miss Wallace. Okay. You're going to click on Fundamentals of Biotechnology. I'm not writing any answer choices. I'm just I'm getting there. So you have to make sure you fill in all the answer choices. So I'm going to click submit. If my internet didn't go out, where'd it go? Okay, and then submit assignment. So I'm going to click text box entry. I'm going to write done. Ooh. Okay, then I'm going to click submit assignment, and then I'm done for the week. Okay, because I will get this. I'll be able to see your answer choices. So you just got to write done. Okay, so if you have any questions, just shoot me an email.